Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So previously in one of my tutorials I showed you how to make this twist front dress, and I really like how it turned out to be. And if you like it, you can check the link out in my description box below. Today I'm coming with a thriller of this beautiful layered frill dress. This is actually made with muslin fabrics, lining fabrics that are leftovers all over the place. So I decided to use it to make a pattern first for this tutorial. This is just a sample piece. I'm yet to make another one with a more beautiful fashion fabric. So I'll first of all explain how this dress is made, and the main tutorial will be coming up soon. So here is the front part of the dress. I'm more interested in showing you how the down part is being made. As you can see, it has like 5 layers altogether, and under each layer lies these joinings. As you can see here, all the dirty works are being done inside. As you can see, it's all pleated, and this is how the down part looks. As you can see, at the 5th layer here, you have only these, there's no other one below it. So I'll show you how to make the calculations in the main project tutorial video. Here I'm going to show you how it looks on the inside, so you know what I'm talking about. So all the works are done inside, and you're just going to use your serging machine to knitting these lines up later. Let me turn the back and show you how it looks. So it is quite the same thing all around it. And if you turn to the right side of the back, as you can see, this first layer does not catch into the zip layer. It will be hemmed along and knitted up. As you can see, these layers does not go into the seam line of the back line, as you can see here. So that's how it runs all through it. If you like to see a tutorial on this, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that as soon as I upload this video, you'll be the first to watch. Bye.